So till now we have done two methods in cubes. One was an Anita is coming. Cubes. So first method was approach.
Evening, sir.
And we just started. I was waiting. I thought you'll not be coming now.
Oh, sir, I forget it.
ये सबसे अच्छा. फिर किसने बताया?
सर पे खुद ही याद आ गया क्लास से.
आज 10 मिनट तो मैंने भी लेट किया था, 5 मिनट आपने कर लिए. An easy approach that was based on Anurprena Sutra, and the second we did Yavaduman Sutra, right? Any doubts in both the sutras for finding? Now see, when you have to do it with the students, you cannot teach them all. So you have to assess regarding the students. Are they good into Nikhilam Sutra, or are they well versed with the base system? Accordingly, you have to teach them, right? But yes, as a trainer, I will be teaching you all the, because you have to become a trainer. So your concept should be totally clear. You should have the knowledge of all the systems, right? Now I'll be doing the first method, which we generally start. Yes, it is difficult. Why it is difficult? Because we have to start from the scratch. Known and the sutra is known as Anurprena Sutra, which means by ratio or by proportionality. If you remember, in the squares also it was the same, and there also I told you, if you start with finding the square of first digit, you'll automatically, after the progressions, you'll be getting the square of the second number. Here also, if you start with the finding the cube, if you start with finding the cube of a first digit number, and after the geometrical proportion, you'll find the, in the fourth level, you'll get the cube of the second digit number. Now how it is, I'll show you. So the name is finding the cubes using Anurprena Sutra. Yes, what we used to find in Anurprena Sutra, you remember something? अनीता, सबसे पहले क्या निकालते थे? Yes.
सर सबसे पहले ए स्क्वायर सर, डुप्लेक्स ऑफ ए.
क्या हो गया? We are talking about.
Oh, Anu. Okay.
So we used to find R.
R sir,
Ratio.
B over A.
We are saying
Yes,
ratio again and again. We are talking about ratio. So here
B.
R over is equal to 7/6. So this is the first thing you have to, the first step you have to do. Now in squares we had left part,
Right part.
middle part,
Multiply R.
right, and we had right part. So first part was right now I'm talking about squares only. First part was A square, then LP
Multiply.
into R. Now it is very
R.
clear that LP is A square. So A square will be cancelling out by R. And then the third, it was MP
Into R.
correct? You remember this now?
Yes, sir.
Now here we will not have 3 parts, we'll have 4 parts. So we'll have, yes, I am erasing this. This was just to remind you, so that you take the same thing, keep how it was. So here we'll be having left part, MP1, But the system is entirely same. You don't have to worry about that. If you remember one, you'll be able to do the other also. MP2 and right part. So what is first LP? So it is always a cube. First will write in this a cube. Now what should be MP1? It should be LP into R. You know here what is LP. So see what will you get over here? A square into B. Yes, Kopal. What is LP? A cube. And R is B by A.
Yes, sir.
So what we'll get?
A square B.
Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
This is what we used in our formulas earlier. Okay. So this would be now, and whenever we have to take it, we have to add twice of same.
Same.
Twice MP1. So that is 2 A square B more you have to add. Okay. Now in this case, it is MP1 into R. So what is, see, you can remember, this way you'll remember, you'll start from one side and you'll be able to do it. So what is MP1? A square B, and here it is B by A. So automatically it becomes B square A.
B square A. And we'll add the double.
Yes, that is a last step.
Last would be B cube.
Now
Right,
how we get B cube? See, that is what the sutra says. If you start finding the cube of first digit and on geometrical progression, on the progressing, in the fourth step, you will always find the cube of the second number. So B square A, we are again and again multiplying with the R only. Into R. Sorry, I should write here MP2 first. So that is A square B into B by A. Sorry. So that is B cube. Now is it clear how this
So
formula
if
is?
we are, sorry, if we are starting from A cube, so there is any derivation formula for this? No. जैसे आपने right पर कहा क्या? No, ना?
For that the sutra says itself. If you start with the cube of first digit number and take the next three numbers in top row, take the next three numbers in geometrical proportion, then you'll get in the fourth stage the cube of the right hand side number, or the
By
second digit.
arithmetical progression or what?
It is geometrical proportion, you can say. Proportion, not progression, proportion, because we are multiplying with R.
Okay, sir.
Proportion, ratio. Yes, now any doubt? And now see, if at all this is asked, you have to do with, particularly with this method, then only you have to show R and do like this. Otherwise, you after this you remember a cube, 3a square b, 3b square a, and b cube. Yes, Kopal, any doubt? So we have already done the questions based on this, but let's do one more. So let's find out this 67 cube. Yes, what is the answer? मुकेश ये वाला फोन लगा दे जरा चार्जिंग पे.
So it's 3000763.
Okay. Yes, Anita.
Yes, sir. Same.
Yes, sweetie, you got the answer.
So I was just out. I'm just checking on the answer. I'm just totaling it up. Give me a minute.
You can take this screenshot. I'll move to the next page.
Yes, sir. I've done this sum. No, I was just solving the sum.
Yeah. Okay. This was for all. Anita, Kopal, you can take this screenshot.
So is the balancing coming to 216,756,882,343? Can anybody check on this? So I'll
Sorry, come again.
216,
Hmm.
756,
Yes.
Yes.
882,
Yes.
and 343.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Then I'll get the answer. I did it. Sure. I just when my husband was out for dinner.
It's-
Got it.
Okay, so one more we'll do 93 and then we'll shift to the now. So that is the reason now here going for a 3-digit or 4-digit is very difficult.
So answer is 804357.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kopal, did you get the same? Done. So let's, yes, Anita.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now we'll be doing the another method, another concept that is known as Nikhilam method. Now, initially I'll ask you to remember something, but I'll explain how to. Now here you have to remember one formula. That is SB square into n plus 2d this is the rightmost part. In middle you have SB into 3 times d square. And the third is d cube. Now you'll find like why to remember this, how to remember this formula. Now you should be clear, SB means sub base. So if the number is near, okay, I'll take an example. First, if I ask you to find 11 cube. Now in 11, what is the base?
10.
10.
So that means sub base is 1 only. Correct? So no need. So anything multiply, so we will have no value. Now n is 11. So what is d? What is d?
So that's deficiency, but this is a surplus. Na? D generally हम
Surplus,
deficiency बोलते हैं.
D is,
So surplus 1.
you can say difference, you can say deficiency, you can say either surplus. So it is generally I call it as difference. So difference could be a positive or a negative. Correct? Now
Yes, sir.
SB square is 1. N is 11. Plus 2 into 1 is 2. Again, SB is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. And 1 cube is again 1. So the answer is 1331. Perfect. Now this was easy. But do you remember something from this? Now how to remember this formula? Do you remember? Yes, anyone? How will you remember this formula? Yes, Kopal, Anita, sweetie.
Mhm.
रट्टा मार लो. पर रट्टे में गलती होगी तो क्या करेंगे?
That's the thing, sir. Logic has to be there.
Remember, याद करो. Yes, Anita. Kopal. No, Kopal. I think you
So
didn't.
इसमें भी जैसे है कि देखो, the sub base was square, then it's sub base and no base. Then D 2D नहीं कुछ, I'm not sure. I'm just trying to find out but नहीं.
Remember, we did
सर आप ही बताओ.
base method for 3 digits. So अगर numbers ही तीनों same थे, we did it for 11, 12, 13. Remember. So what is this? First क्या होता था? SB square तो हम लेते ही थे.
Okay, triplets you're talking, sir. Yes, the triplet numbers what we
What
did.
is that? What is that? If the numbers are different, if it was 11, 12 and 13, it is multiplication. If the numbers are same, it becomes square or cube. So what was first क्या लेते हो आप? 11. Now what is 11? 11 is your number. Okay, first time I'll write 11. Into क्या करते हो? 11 plus 2 times 1.
Remaining number.
This is what you, याद नहीं, we take 1 and add the 2 others.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second step पे क्या करते थे? We used to make the combinations. Now, if the numbers are,
Combinations.
all the numbers are same, so how many combinations we'll have?
3, 1 and 2.
3, 1 plus 1,
क्या
1
हुआ?
plus 1, 1.
तो क्या हुआ? 3 into
3D. 3D
और
D
SB
square. Right.
यहाँ पर SB 1 तो हम लेते ही हैं. I told you this is always there. The only thing is when we have base number, so SB is always 0, so we just ignore it. Our third step में क्या करते थे? We used to multiply all these. So what is, if it is D, so what it becomes?
DQ.
DQ.
अब याद हो गया formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Remember example 11. See, things are related to each other. अभी तो now formula can be revised. It can be remembered.
Yes, sir.
Out. Yes, Gopal. What about you? Yes, Gopal.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, I'll give you one question now. You can take a screenshot if you want. Just to remember example of 11, keep it in your mind. You'll never forget anything. Will solve 19 cube, but the condition is, in first case you'll take base as 10
And second case 20.
अनीता को पता है सर में क्या पंगा लेना है? So first case में if base is 10, so sub base would be 1. In second case, if base is 20, so what would be the sub base?
Minus.
Sub base, ma'am.
Minus 2.
Sub base
2,
क्या?
sorry.
How?
What minus? Sir? 2. Sorry,
Sub
2.
base, sub base digit is always the first digit. So it is 2. Please solve by both the methods.
Yeah.
So one method is when base is 10 is 13829.
How?
That's what I read.
19 cube. How can it be such big
Cube.
number?
9 cube लेंगे ना sir? 9 cube लेंगे ना? Last में. The deficiency surplus is 9 over here, na, when the base is 10.
Yes.
Difference. Yeah.
D is 9.
So मुझे तो लगा ये ज्यादा टाइम like though it's easy but it's like you know वो अगर 9 वो कर रहे थे तो ज्यादा easy लग रहा था.
नहीं, I told you Yavaduman is the best.
Sub-bases.
Yesterday I told you.
Yeah. Yes sir.
But actually हम लोगों ने क्यूब्स किया ही नहीं हुआ ना, क्यूब्स कहीं भी नहीं है ज्यादा.
Hmm.
But 11 का आप एग्जांपल
So
जब
like
कर, yes,
हाँ sir. So this is right like the sub-base is 1. Now n plus 2d is 19 plus 18. Right?
yes.
Okay. Now d square that becomes 18. So 3 into 18.
अच्छा,
In
d
the
square is
center.
d square is 18. 9 into 9 is 18.
No, 81. Sorry,
81.
81. 81 into 3. Sorry, I did 81 into 3, right?
3.
So 81 into
3
3 is
Then
243.
9 का cube
is 243.
723.
243 and the
And
last one is 9 cube.
729.
720 सर इससे आंसर आ गया सर 6859 बेस 20 से नहीं आ
Ah,
रहा सर
6859. Yeah, I got it 68.
ठीक है, everybody got it or not? Kopal,
Yes.
सर सर बेस 20 से नहीं आ रहा सर
एक
2
मिनट
से
को,
सब
एक मिनट कोपल फर्स्ट आ गया. कोपल का वॉल्यूम बंद.
Yeah. So
Yes,
now
sir,
should we try with 20? Base
Yes.
20 से try करें.
मैंने तो दिया था. अनीता बोल रही है कि नहीं हो रहा, तो आई वाज ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व.
So now I'm also trying. So base हमारा 20 हो गया. So sub base would be 2. Number is again हमारा 19. So now here the difference will take as 1, right? D will be 1.
-1 नहीं लेंगे
के
तो
-1. But
माइनस
cube
लोगे
में
ना.
हाँ
यस सर
हाँ
-1
-1. तो अच्छा ये सारा हमें निखिलम से वो जब बाहर आएंगे तो सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. ओके.
ये लो.
Yeah. Then 2 square 19 plus 2d minus 2, right? This will be 19 minus 2. Then sub base is 2. 2 into 3 times minus
सर
1
सर आ गया
and minus 1 cube. This
आना
is
ही था
bar
अब तो.
1.
वैसे ही
सर मैंने सर 2 स्केयर नहीं किया मैंने सब बेस वही 2 ही रख लिया सर
1, 3,
हथियार
2s
छोड़
are
देते हो वैसे ही
6.
आप.
17 into
मैंने बात कहा कॉन्फिडेंस मत लूज करो, सब हो जाएगा. आप कॉन्फिडेंस लूज कर देते हो. सो आंसर विल बी 6861 बार. So 1 बार वो
yeah,
कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा
6861
59.
bar. 9 हो जाएगा, 5 हो जाएगा, 68. Yes sir, got it. 6859 आ गया sir.
See, this is how when you are teaching na, always try to give them so many
Options.
problems to
Methods.
different yes, then they'll start thinking. Brainstorming is very important, because otherwise what we think. अब जैसे मेरे से भी गलती हुई, यवादुमन सूत्रा में मैंने कोई एग्जांपल भी नहीं दिया था सब बेस का. So what happens now? People start thinking, oh, this is not for sub base. So it's not like that. ये फॉर्मूला हमेशा ही रहेगा. सब बेस स्क्वायर, सब बेस 1 and sub base 0. But yes, we generally ignore it when it is a base. So all of you got the answer. Kopal, what happened? You're not answering.
सर म्यूट है. It's only mute over here. That is why.
नहीं, आंसर आ गया कि नहीं?
हाँ जी, yes sir.
आवाज से नहीं लग रहा. चलो फिर एक पॉजिटिव भी सॉल्व कर लो. 10 4. With Nikhilam. And practice, pata jab karni ho to always think one number and do with all the methods. Your all methods would be fine then.
So 1124864.
Okay. Yes. Others?
Sir, it would be like 1 cube and then 104 plus 2 into 4, then 1 into 3 into 4 square and then 4 cube. ऐसे ही होगा ना sir?
What would be the number?
Number is 104 plus 2 into 4.
Okay.
Then
sir,
sub base is 1. So 3 into deficiency. So it would be 48. Like 16, 4, 4 is 64. 64 into 3 is 48.
how 16 you are getting?
So 4 is the difference, na?
So 4 square is
4, 4
16.
is a 16.
16 into 3, 48.
3,
Okay.
48. Then either 4 ka cube is 64.
Correct.
So
So
this is
64 उधर हुआ तो हमें 2 ही digit तो लेने हैं. Now we
अच्छा,
have a base 100.
Okay, okay. Sorry. Yes.
Yes, sweetie, answer आ गया?
No, sir, I was just checking. Like the first digit is 1, right? So
Correct.
just मुझे वो bifurcation चाहिए था ना. Second number would be 104 plus 8. 2D is 4, so 108.
Okay.
Yeah. Then 48. 16 into 3.
First में आपने क्या लिया? Number is 104. Correct. Now 2 into
हाँ.
D. 2 into D is 8. Right. So
2 into 4,
104.
8. Yeah. So that is 112. Plus
112.
8, 112.
Yes.
Yeah. 48 and 64. Is this right?
Yes. So this was simple because you don't have to shift anything. So 112, 48 and 64.
Hmm.
Any doubts?
So sir, this is the answer. 112, 48, 64.
Yes. Because base is 100
Okay.
now. Now you can have 2 digits.
Yeah, right. Haan, 2 digits at the last. So 64, 48, 112.
Confused नहीं होना है.
वो दो काम साथ में चलते हैं ना तो that is the reason, nothing else.
56 square. Oh, sorry, cube. Again, थोड़ा सा practice करेंगे. So one would be by taking sub base as 50, another as 60.
So, sir, my just question over here, what we got 112, 48 and 64, right? So
Yes.
64 comes down, 48 comes down, then 12 comes down, then 1 plus 1 won't be 2.
Why?
Yeah,
Why
we made a
12?
mistake. Yeah.
On the right hand side, why? Ma'am, on the right hand side,
Yeah, just
can-
there are 3 numbers. So sorry, my mistake, sir. Yeah, got it. Sorry, sir.
So
Yeah,
here
because ये
one
नया
base,
conception है ना का. Right.
so one
53
base would be 50 and sub base would be 5, and next we have to take base 60.
yes.
Okay.
See, that is not sub base. See, base is that is called as sub base digit. Right. So sub base is 50.
Okay, yeah. Sub base digit, yes, that is the right term. Okay, so this would be 5 square n is number plus 2b, so 2 size acting slash sub base 5 into 3 b square is 25, so 25 into 3. And the last would be cube of
So
the
one
deficiencies.
6.
125, 75 into 5.
That word could be deviation, because deviation could be positive or negative. Like we say na, deficit, surplus or deviation. I was missing that word.
So what's the
different-
exact word?
it could be deviation also, because deviation
Okay.
can be positive as well as negative.
Sub base deviation.
Such details have not been covered in Swamiji's book. They have given very, they think we all are intelligent enough. They have solved it. And we all are. If you would have taught 2-3 people, then the results would have been different.
So 175,616.
17.
5616.
बिल्कुल, मैंने कहा ना, ह्यूमन कैलकुलेटर तो आप बन जाओगे. कभी गलत भी कर दिया करो. यस अनीता,
Sir,
प्रैक्टिस करो. See, maybe methods you don't remember, but your calculation is speed is very good.
sir, ये wrong है?
Correct है.
Okay. कैलकुलेशन सर मेरी बहुत फास्ट है, फॉर्मूले भी मेरे को बहुत जल्दी याद रहते हैं।
मैं तो आपको बोला ही है, यही बात तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि कैलकुलेशन आपकी फास्ट है. अगर इवन आपको कंसेप्ट लेट समझ आए, पर कैलकुलेशन फास्ट है. मैं तो आपको उस दिन भी बोला था ये बात.
So this is sir 125, 68, 540 and 216.
Okay.
If इसको this are these number right? Then this has to be arranged, na?
I've not checked.
5 का cube. So 5 cube.
5 क्यूब
Sub-
क्यों आएगा?
Sir sub
Five
base is 5.
सब बेस का
square
क्यूब
है।
लेते हैं.
Sorry. Shit. Sorry. And sir, then 56 is the number and plus 2 into 6. Deviation is 6. So that is 56 plus 12 is 68, and then 5 into 3 into 36. Like 6 is the deviation again. So, and sub base is 5. So that is 540 and then 216.
Okay. तो अभी कितने डिजिट्स एक जगह अलाउड होंगे?
अभी एक one single.
Then so you'll get the answer. Yes, what is the answer? Gopal?
Oh no, some mistake I'm doing while balancing.
Chalo,
I don't know.
I'll solve it. 25. ये ठीक है. First
25.
SB square into will be very fast. Now number is 56 plus 12. Correct?
हाँ.
कितना आया?
68.
यहाँ तक कोई प्रॉब्लम किसी?
नहीं.
सेकंड में 5 into
40.
5 into 3 d square. So d is 6. So 36 into 3 is
108.
अब यहाँ क्या आंसर आ रहा था आपका कोपल?
540.
Correct. So 540 you are saying over here and here
1700.
1700. 68 को 4 से divide करें तो you'll get 1700. Correct. This is how you have to multiply. And third is
Last
6 cube.
216.
216.
So this is the easiest. 6 cube 216. अब देखो.
Base is 1 digit रखना है.
So 6.
So 21 will go this side.
So it becomes, अगर 21 यहाँ जाएगा, देखो ऐसे लिख के देख लो ना, अगर verbally नहीं हो रहा अभी तो 561
1 then 56 will go
56
here.
इधर गया तो
70.
सीधा आ गया. देखो 1756.
ठीक.
What is कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आएगी इसमें तो।
सर मैं एक बहुत ही ब्लंडर कर रही थी एक्चुअली, इसलिए मेरा आंसर नहीं आ रहा था।
ठीक है, इतनी देर का नहीं था वो, इसलिए मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया, सो दैट यू शुड सी द डिफरेंस वेयर इट इज।
No, actually I was doing a very big mistake and I realized it now, so that is why ऐसा फोन
ओके,
नहीं आ रहा।
जल्दी से 60 के साथ
Sir, 60 के साथ 6 is the sub base, so 6 square is 36.
how 6 is
And-
again sub base, ma'am?
Base, sorry. Sub base
Sub-base.
60 ले रहे हैं ना
Sub
सर
base is
हम?
60 and base
Six.
digit
Six,
is
so 6. Sub base digit I mean to say, sir. 6.
Okay,
हाँ. So 6
Yes.
square is 36.
correct.
Number plus
56.
2D. So that is 56 plus 8.
-8 ma'am.
-8, ma'am.
Sorry, here I was
Minus
making a blunder.
and 64 भी नेगेटिव में आएगा।
इसीलिए ये 60, why I gave 60? सी मैं आपको
Yeah,
इजी
so
इजी
we
नहीं
can-
कराना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि लॉलीपॉप दे दिया, इजी करा दिया, एंड यू फील ओ यस वी नो एवरीथिंग, नथिंग लाइक दैट। यू शुड बी, क्लास के बाद ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि यस 60 देने का मकसद ही यही था कि आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओ एक बार। होने दो ना, फिर क्या हो गया, अभी नहीं होंगे तो कब होंगे?
Yes, I will remember it always. वो
इट
mistake की हुई
हैपेंस,
हमेशा
सी
याद रह जाती है।
एवरी टाइम
Yes,
इट
sir.
हैपेंस। इमीडिएटली जब आप चेंज करते हो, देयर इज ऑलवेज, गियर चेंज करते हैं तो गाड़ी में आवाज आता है ना, तो इसमें भी आएगा।
Okay, then it is 6. Sub base is 6. Again, sub base digit into 3D square. So 3 into 16. अभी तो 4 और 4 पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा।
इसीलिए जब हम डेविएशन लिखते हैं ना, उसको पहले ही माइनस लिख दो साइन, सो दैट वो कहीं हमारी गलती
Right.
नहीं हो। सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज वी शुड राइट, जैसे मैंने फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में आई रोट इट कि दिस इज बेस इज 10, सब बेस इज 1, n is this and d is this. So first line always write this, then you'll never go wrong.
So answer is 1728, 288 and bar 64.
I've not seen.
Yes ma'am.
सेम आंसर आ जाए बस, अब देखो।
Yes, I'm not just trying. So please solve this once, na 1728, 288 and 64. I don't know where I'm going wrong.
Okay.
मैम टेंस प्लेस पे 1 1 रखना था ना.
चलो यहाँ कर लेते हैं, कलर चेंज कर देंगे तो 36 हो गया। देखो
तो
-4 होगा।
17
Yes,
So we
can
got
you-
the numbers. Numbers का problem नहीं है. 36 into 48. Like we got this numbers are right. 1728, then 288 and bar 64. Are these number right or have gone somewhere wrong?
yes,
मैम बेस
Anita.
यस सर सर बेस 10 था ना, तो हमें
हाँ।
1 1 डिजिट रखना था.
हाँ
मैम
10 का
बेस
6 हो.
10 था ना, 50 60 था, तो हमें 1 1 डिजिट रखना था. 728 288 64 4 बार ना, तो 6 बार को पहले 288 में से माइनस कर लो मैम. वो
हाँ
हाँ,
वही
तो
मैंने
जब 6 को 288 से माइनस किया तो वो आपके पास आई थिंक आया है
282
282. यस मैम.
282.
मैम
हाँ.
अभी हमें सेकंड वाले बॉक्स में
हाँ
1
then
डिजिट ही
6 will convert
चाहिए.
it 4. हाँ उसमें वो convert हो गया 6.
28 पास ऑन द फर्स्ट, फिर देन मैम माइनस कर दो, सब्ट्रैक्शन.
हाँ वो 1 हो गया and यहाँ
यस.
से 8 8 16. Yeah, sir got it. 17561.
2
हाँ सर
4 बार.
आ गया
Yes,
आ गया आ
Gopal.
गया. I got it. मैंने वो 282 नहीं लिखा उसको माइनस करके. हाँ मैंने बोला नंबर रॉन्ग लिख दिया मैंने.
Yes,
Got it.
Gopal.
सर मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आया,
कौन सा नहीं समझ आया?
मतलब आ गया है, but it's like 1728 is the first number, then 288, and then I am getting -216 because it's 6 का cube ना.
Yes.
4
नहीं,
डेफिशिएंसी
4 का क्यूब होगा ना यहाँ तो.
4 का क्यूब. डेफिशिएंसी 6 नहीं है 4 है इस बार.
हाँ
कोई बात नहीं, कोई आराम से हो जाएगा अब. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चलो लास्ट इस मेथड से करते हैं. 192.
तो 90 और 100 दोनों से करना.
192 है मैम. 90 से कैसे कर सकते
वो
हैं?
1
200 से ही होगा.
200 से.
नहीं, आपने करना है 100 से
सब
कर
बेस
सकते
है
हैं.
पूरा है.
आप 100 से करना चाहें तो
बहुत
कर
ज्यादा
सकते हैं.
92 बहुत बड़ा. 92 बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा.
अनीता को पता है ना, शी कैन डू इट.
Yeah, that's true, sir.
She has got very good calculation speed.
Yeah, true, sir.
अभी तो लास्ट सूत्रा रटना पड़ेगा.
So can we check first thing? The sub base is 2. So 2 square would be 4.
Yes.
Number is 192.
Yes.
Minus 2d is 16. So 192 minus 16.
तो 707
देखो आंसर तैयार है पहले ही।
70
Yeah, sir. 707. Yeah, second part that is also right. Yeah.
888
I've gone somewhere here. Sub base is again 2.
आएगा
3 into
70
d square. 8 is a 64. So 6 into 64.
फर्स्ट में आएगा 705 सेकंड में 384 5 बार 1 बार 2 बार
Yeah, 5 bar 1 bar
हाँ,
2
ये
bar.
सही है।
मैम अभी 2 डिजिट चाहिए हर बॉक्स में क्योंकि बेस
हाँ,
इज
ये
200
हाँ, हर बॉक्स
पता सब कुछ है। थ्योरी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग, प्रैक्टिकल में गलती हो जाती है।
704379 1 बार 2 बार
I told you this in the beginning itself कि multiplication तक third level step तक बहुत easy है। Confusion तो
हाँ,
शुरू
then it
4 से ही होगा और 5th इसका भी next
Wow.
level। And second thing, concepts are more. First 3 books में concepts are less. Practice ज्यादा है, but यहाँ concepts बहुत ज्यादा है। Gear change है totally third और fourth में तो। Fifth आएगा मुश्किल division।
So it's 704, right? No, it's 704, 384, and 512. Or it's
I have not
704 के
found.
7.
It's
मैम
Sunita
five,
has
I'm
done.
बता दूं.
यस मैम 70479
704. Yeah. Then the second thing is 384.
नहीं 379 मैम
-5 हो जाएगा ना, so it would be 349 and 1 bar 2 bar.
Yeah, no, 384. Then minus 5 करेंगे तो 379 and then bar 12, right?
1 bar 2 bar, हाँ।
So
Bar
1
12.
bar
हाँ.
2 bar would be 88।
1 bar 2
So तो हमारा इसका आंसर total. What is the final answer for this?
7077
888
हाँ.
लास्ट में आएगा मैडम 707 79 1 बार 2 बार 2 डिजिट रखने हैं अब हमने
हाँ बराबर है। I don't know. मैंने राइट ही था मतलब I was just unwantedly panicking.
एक और क्वेश्चन करना है इसका कि नहीं?
दे दो सर
नहीं, अभी एक मेथड और कर लें, आज खत्म कर देनी है। पेज 77 कंप्लीट करनी है एक्सरसाइज 19।
Page 77 exercise.
एक डाउट है सर, प्लीज।
बोलिए।
सर ये 1 bar 2 bar is 88. Okay, 100 minus 12 it would be 88. And sir जब when we are touching this 379 तो ये तो 7 और 9 रिटेन करना चाहिए था ना, बट वी आर नॉट डूइंग सो।
9 रिटेन कैसे होगा?
-1 होगा।
जो लास्ट होता है वो रिटेन तो होता ही नहीं, उसमें तो मन वाइन। देखिए क्या रूल क्या था, जो नेगेटिव है देन वी ऐड 10 to 8 और उसके बाद उसमें क्या आ जाता है, यू सबट्रैक्ट 1 इफ इट इज पॉजिटिव।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
तो 9 का 8 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पहले ही 8 है।
ठीक सर।
इसीलिए बोलता हूँ विन, ये सब कुछ तभी सीख सकते हैं व्हेन वी आर क्लियर विद विनकुलम। नाउ एटलीस्ट नाउ यू शुड बी क्लियर कि विदाउट विनकुलम Vedic maths is 0, because wherever you'll get the negative number you cannot do anything.
तो पेज 77 कौन से स्टेप का करना सर?
4th चल रही है।
ओके सर।
इसका मतलब खोल के देखी नहीं बुक?
नहीं देखी है सर।
फिर कौन सी देखी थी?
सर मैंने आपको एक्सरसाइज भेजी तो थी, उस स्टेप आज मैंने बुक्स रखी नहीं ना अपने पास।
अच्छा, फिर तो बुक का कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं दूंगा मैं।
ओके।
ऐसे कई बार होता है।
सर मैंने नहीं देखा कि आपने कहाँ से डाला है, कौन सा डाला है सर।
मैं चेंज करता हूँ, वैसे भी हर स्टेप पे चेंज कर देता हूँ, क्योंकि वो पॉसिबल भी नहीं है ना, फिर बेनिफिट नहीं है। प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो कैसे चलेगा? सो वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, यू शुड practice and practice. Right. So now yes, Kopal, now any doubt? Or then we'll move ahead with the next topic. The last topic here, I don't have any options left here. Yes, it is entirely different. And you have to remember some part of the formula. So the easiest one is always Yavaduman Sutra, or the first method, which was used for 2 digits, up till 2 digits. Now this method is known as cube of a number using Ikadikena Sutra. Now here,
So cube up to 3 digit, it's more than enough ना, ये भी ज्यादा ही होता है ना।
but हमें 4 करना जरूरी है ना मैम। ट्रेनर्स हैं, हमें एकदम बच्चा बोल देता है, आप उसको नहीं बोल
हाँ,
सकते
know
कि
that.
no, it's not possible.
नहीं आता है।
This is what
Yeah.
happens. See today, if you remember, अगर हमने भी 3 digits का मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं किया होता बेस मेथड, so क्या आपको निखिलम मेथड समझ आता क्यूब का?
No sir, no sir.
Cannot remember the formula. So this is what we cannot say no. I remember when I was taking the first class, somebody told me, sir, 4 digits को भी करिए ना multiply, 5 को भी करिए, and he was a BTech student, so शरारत हो गई। So वहां पे problem आता है, and I've seen number of books, people don't touch this 3 digits in base method. Even I have not written in the book. I'm also telling you when I'm taking the class, but जिन्होंने सिर्फ books ली हैं, they don't know.
Right sir.
है ना? तो जितना, see, every day you learn something. So I think we should do what, whenever we should learn, we should also further contribute. Okay, now this is method. We have to somewhere remember also. I'm just taking an example first. With example. Now, very first thing is again here, like in Anupurna Sutra, we used to calculate R, that was ratio. Here a difference is calculated, and this is entirely different way of finding. Here the difference is calculated like 3 into unit place digit minus 10. So this is formula only. Even I don't have right approach to tell you how this is derived. So it's no explanation is provided. Difference is calculated, and the format is 3 into unit place digit. For example, if I have to find a cube of 43, here unit place digit is 3. So the difference, first the value of difference would be 3 into 3, that is 9 minus 10. So that will become minus 1. Correct?
So
Second,
unit 3 into units place digit, that is 9
Yes.
minus 10. Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Right. Now again the answer has 4 parts as it was in Anurpayana Sutra. So it is more or less like that only. First part is left part, and the left part is product of square of a number and Ikadikena of the number. Okay, if you're not getting, I'll tell you. Now here this 4 is your A and 3 is your B. right?
Yes, sir.
Product of square of number at tens position and its ekadikena. So what is the number at tens place? It is a. So a square into a plus 1. So product of square of a number at tens position and its ekadikena. Any doubt up till here? You have to cram it. I don't have any solution. Sorry. Second, product of square of a number at tens position into difference. So a square into d. So these 2 points you have to cram, remember, whatever you may think you have to do. The rest are same as Anurpena Sutra. So what was that? B square A and B cube. Yes, A square is first is the product of square of a number at tens position. Now you say I'm saying tens position. So what your question should have been, what about the number if it is a 3-digit number? Are you getting my point? So same at tens, then it will be a 2-digit number. So if it would have been 143, so this is A. So 14 square into 14 plus 1 would be there. And here it will remain same. 3 into 3 minus 10 is equal to 1. Yes, written. Any doubt up till here?
So ये 3b square ये आएगा ना?
हाँ, वो मैंने बोला कि वही same.
Okay.
So only first 2 positions where you have to remember. No option for us.
So this is for 2 and then 3-digit होगा तो क्या changes होगा इसमें?
मैंने
then?
वही
You show
बताया.
later.
अभी करते हैं.
मेरा confusion था इसके लिए I'm really asking. You wrote 1 and then I was confused.
नहीं, मैंने वो यही तो बताया कि फिर 14 हो जाएगा A.
Okay, then 14 will be it. Okay.
So why I wrote that, because I was again and again saying product.
नहीं सर, मेरा
of-
network glitch हो गया था तो वो रुक
अच्छा.
गया था.
So
Yeah,
see,
it's
I was explaining at the left part, it would be the product of number, square of a number at tens position. So that's why I explained if there is a 100 position also, then what we have to do, right? So you have to consider that 110 at one as a 1. So let me solve this. Yes, you have written this, taken a screenshot or something.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first is our D. First point is to find D. Now, what is a, so 3 into here D, digit at unit place is again 3. So it is 9 minus 10.
Is 1.
So it is
One.
minus 1.
Mine.
Correct. Now, so left part. Left part
square
is
is
a
4
square.
square,
Now
16.
a is 4
16.
and my b is
Plus 1.
3. So I'll say 16 into 5. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Yes, Kopal. Okay. Second is a square into d. So that will be 16
1
into minus 1.
12.
So 16 into minus 1 is 1 and 6, 1 bar, 6 bar. Any doubt?
No,
MP.
sir.
So first question you can take screenshot so that there is no doubt. Now coming to third,
B square है.
3b square a.
Yes, sir. 144 and 432.
So 3 into b is 3. So that is b square.
9.
9 into 4
9
is,
into 4.
36.
108.
so
Okay.
this is your 36. And this is d b
Cube.
cube. So
Cube.
b cube is again
3. Deficiency cube, right?
So then it comes to be 27.
27.
So 108. See now if I
27
observe
bar 16, 80.
these two steps are same. The only change comes in between.
Yeah.
So Swamiji gave, I don't know, we don't have that much of brain how they got these 7, 0,
110.
110. So that means 11. So 11,
Yes.
16 minus 11 is 5 bar and 80. So now
Yeah.
this is to be changed. So it will become 4. Yes. 5.
7, 9.
10 minus 5
5.
is 5 and 7, 9. So 79507. Yes, Kopal, any doubt?
No, sir. So, sir, did you learn everything from the book by itself or did you get trained?
I never got
Ab
any
Swami ji
trainings.
ka naam hai. Okay,
I
so you
never
did it
took
on your
any
own.
trainings.
You have a, yeah, you already you have a background.
No, I don't have a background.
No, तो सर बीटेक के बच्चों को भी पढ़ा रहे हो फिर?
सिर्फ ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस है.
बिंगो सर.
बाकी आपको ज्यादा पता है. यू आर कहते हैं.
No, sir.
नहीं आपने जज कर
Sir,
लिया. बाकी
नहीं, sir. So उस दिन आपने कहा ना the art of marketing is the best thing, you know. वो सबसे बेस्ट है तो सब होता है. कॉन्फिडेंस है वो आपको वो कॉन्फिडेंस वैसे ही दे देता है.
नहीं, I am very poor at marketing.
You are, so you're good at. सर ऐसे नहीं होते बच्चे. मार्केटिंग बुरी होती है तो इतना नहीं चलता है.
कोई बात. मार्केटिंग नहीं, जो सच होता है मैं बोल देता हूँ. मुझे आता ही नहीं.
Yeah.
चल. Yes, so done. Now any doubt? So how many methods
No,
we have
sir.
done for cubes?
Yavaduman, Ekadikena, easy method, Nikhilam method.
5 methods are there which we have covered. Right. But अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. इसके examples करने हैं.
And the formula, sir, right? The first we did was the formula, then the Yavaduman, then the easy approach, then Nikhilam, and now the
First was easy approach only. That in that we divided it into 4 parts. First was numbers starting with 1, then ending with 1, then the similar numbers.
yeah,
Okay, now try
similar
to
numbers
think.
and the
Now try to think,
Yeah.
if you are getting a question of to find a cube of 33, why should you remember the formula? Go by this. 3 means 27, 27, 27. That's all.
27, yeah, and double the center too. That's most easiest. Yes, sir.
Right. So that was the reason why we teach. Then now sometimes we say ki formula yaad kar lo, everything will be done. No. If something can be sorted out with ease, why should we go for that? And that's what my student did. She got in class 21. And the moment teacher was writing the question, she solved it and gave the answer. Because she knows it very well. 1, 2, 4, 8. And then you have to just double the 2 into 4 and that 8 into the finish. So that is how you have to do it. Okay. Let's take one more example. We did 104, na? So 104 once again. With this method, please solve. So I'll be back. So what is D?
So 2.
Okay.
2, sir.
3 into 4 is 12, minus 10 is equal to 2. So positive 2. So what is A square now?
100.
A square is 100 and then A plus 1 is 11. So 11.
11.
So that would be 1100.
1100.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Second,
sir.
A square is 100 into 2. So that is 200.
200.
200.
Chalo. Now 3 into B square. B is 4, 16. 3 into 16 is 48.
48.
Then A is 10. So 480.
480.
64.
And 64. So the answer is 80, 64. Here I'll get 80. Here I'll get 64. Here I'll get 04
04.
and 1102. Is it fine? No.
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, sir. 1124864 आना चाहिए.
क्यों? बताइए क्यों? Why this answer was wrong? What I gave?
Sir,
Because base तो 100 है.
100 है.
तो फिर तो
Yes,
2
sir.
होने चाहिए.
So तो 2 ही तो ले रहे थे आप सर, इधर 64 इधर 80।
तो फिर तो गलत आ
Yes,
गया
sir.
आंसर।
आंसर गलत आ गया।
क्यों?
अगर डिफरेंस 10
बोलो बोलो।
डिफरेंस
So this should have to be like 11,000 plus 200 क्या क्या कुछ तो 1100
नो
सर
नो,
वहां पे प्लस 100 नहीं करना था, माइनस 100।
सर अच्छा कहाँ माइनस इज इट
3 मल्टीप्लाई यूनिट डिजिट माइनस 100, डिफरेंस जब निकालना है।
100 क्यों आएगा? 10 ही रहेगा, वो फॉर्मूला ही वही है।
नो, मैंने सोचा बेस 100 है, मे बी 100 करना हो।
कब? चलो हो गया सब, करें अब।
यस यस सर।
बेस किसने बोला इसमें है? और हम बेस को रेफरेंस लिया कब है हमने?
सर बेस इज 1 ओनली ना,
वेयर
बिकॉज 10 आपने कहा था वो A है तो वो 1 ही 100
सी वी
हमने
आर नॉट,
100 बेस
no we here it is not a Nikhilam Sutra where we are taking base. We have not taken
yeah
anywhere
this
base.
is
It is a
10
2-digit number only.
only
This
yes
is A
हाँ
and this is B. And
that's
if
why.
we select this at unit place, if we select single digit, yeah,
Everything will be 1 digit.
if you remember, I gave an example of 102 finding a square. Yes or no? And finding a cube also, that time also we saw ki if we take only single digit at unit place, means this, if we take B as single digit, that means we are considering every digit for single only. If we would have taken 0, 4, at that time we can take 2. Yes, now is it clear?
यस सर।
So it would be 4, it would be 6, 48 will go there, so that will give me 8, and 24
24
will go there, so 11, 24. So this we have to understand. Yes, Kopal?
Now got it. Sir.
होता है, ये कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है, I can agree. I know. What happened?
No, sir, nothing. But yes, the next
Easy day, tough day.
it's a tough.
Tough day ने.
Sir.
चलो 117 करते हैं. थोड़ा सा टफ है, ज्यादा भी नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें दोनों डिजिट्स अलग सेपरेट कर रहे हो, तो you don't have to find, you don't have to multiply that much.
11.
So 1601,613.
Any problem?
No, sir.
And answer is not important. Point is, what is D?
So D is 11.
Perfect.
Okay.
So A square,
So 121 into 12,
yes. Then
121 into 11.
yes.
Then it's 3 into 49 into 11. B square is 49. 7 is clear.
ठीक है? यहाँ पे तो कोई
And 7 cube. 7 cube.
Any doubt now?
No, sir. Got the answer. 1601613.
Perfect. One zero five scale. And do remember here, we don't have any concept of base subbase. So in case of this system, you don't have to think it is about what base to use, what not to use. So one way this is helpful also, because if a number is 413, now in Nikilam method, you have to multiply by subbase square, subbase digit square, sorry. So here that will not come.
1157625.
Okay. So any doubt left?
So the first one is 115.
1157, which should be
Yeah, one. A square is 100 and yeah, that we have to multiply. Okay, yeah, 1157. Then it's 500,
yes,
750, 125.
yes,
Right?
done.
Yeah, done. Then.
The only confusion comes is sometimes you consider, oh, it's near base 100, so 2 digits. So that is not to be
that's okay.
considered, because here digits are
Yeah.
separately being considered.
Uh-huh.
So that comes
Right.
only in the case of your Nikhilam Sutra,
Right.
right? So any doubt in this topic? Yes, Anita. So one thing now, sometimes questions don't come directly. It comes like finding the product of the cubes. You are given some number, find a cube of 25, and along with that you are asked to multiply with 4. So such questions also come. Now you are very clear this can be found by number of methods you have. So you just have to arrange in that pattern and multiply in Urdhva Sutra. So like if you go for Anurpe, now this is 25, 2-digit number. So if it is a 2-digit number, always prefer the Anurpena easy approach. Right? Or you remember the formula now. A cube 3a square b, 3b square a, and 4ab. So 4 different balancing line, 4 digits would be there, and 3 balancing lines, and it 4 would can be written as 0004, and you can solve it. Yes, you can do it or no?
So just show once.
Okay, first is now 225. So 2 cube is 8. 3a square. 3a square is 4 into b is 5. So 20 into 5 is 20 into 3 is 60. Second case, 3 b square. B square is 25 into a. That is 2. So 50 into 3 is 150. And b cube is 125. Right. So if it is
So,
4,
please, so please explain. I just
this was
I got
the
confused.
same formula, na? A cube, 3a square b.
हाँ 3b square a and b cube, right?
ठीक है. और 4 है,
हाँ,
so you can have 0, 0, 4. So direct multiply and then you get the answer.
Okay.
So such questions come because directly it's not asked to find a cube. So bigger when numbers are asked, sometimes this way questions are coming. So any doubt left now? So that completes your topics of cubes. So we have done 5 different methods to find the cubes and similarly 11 different techniques to find squares. Any doubts?
So in this we'll be balancing single digit, right, sir?
Yes, everywhere we'll be balancing because we don't have, we are not consider any base now. That is always when you take reference.
Okay.
Yes, Anita, चले गए.
So no doubt.
याद आ गया. ठीक है. So next time we'll be starting with the new concepts. I think we'll be starting with division. 5th. And but revise this because this is the number of topics are more. You need to revise, you need to jot it down, different approaches together. Then you won't forget. Yes, Anita. Any
Yes,
doubts?
sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Badhiya. Right, sweetie? No questions?
Yes, sir. No questions, sir. No questions.
स्वीटी ने तो आज पहले ही डरा दिया, एक साथ बाउंसर दूंगी.
हाँ, sir. Yes, I said I'm working on my book, just planning to complete them and then complete.
Anytime.
I know, sir. You're not scared of anything.
We'll work. No, care is not like this. We'll do it.
Yeah. No, no, I'll take one concept like addition. जिस दिन लेके बैठूंगी पूरा addition, one subtraction, multiplication. I'll take one look at a time completely. The focusly method. Thank you.
अगर आपने पॉइंट्स लिखे होंगे तो आपको दिक्कत आएगी
हाँ,
नहीं.
I have the points and मैंने books में भी note किया है. So any problem then I'll let you know. Because starting के concept तो easy. Like I was majorly looking for cubes, square roots and all this. So वो ज़्यादा
See,
revise करना है.
I remember. See, अगर मैं easy नहीं दूंगा, it's not easy. Now vinculum. What do you know? What do you talk about vinculum now? Can you do scaring without vinculum?
No, no, sir.
You just think of the numbers near 5. Can we do it? No. Cubes, can we do it? No. And if we ignore vinculum, how can we do so many methods?
Methods, right, sir.
So this is now people, because I have seen the notes, they are doing vinculum at the last. If you have already covered subtraction and you have not used vinculum, then when will you teach that?
Yes, sir. Yes. No, I teach my students vinculum. मैं तो in fact subtraction पूरा vinculum से ही करवाती हूँ. Like you showed me the complement method. I initially knew that, but later on I use the vinculum because वहाँ जब practice होके बच्चे easy way में करने logic लगते हैं ना. So then they find that in bases and all when you get negative numbers,
See,
they are
I
able
told,
to convert.
when we were doing simultaneous, I told you have to use vinculum only. But
Yeah,
I cannot,
it's the easiest approach.
for trainer, I see, for students, it's something that for trainer, I cannot avoid anything. Whatever knowledge I have, I should share it with you. And whatever
No, so
is,
the way you showed me addition and subtraction and combination, like addition has negatives also. And when you did, that was the Mishrang technique. Initially, I was thinking it's quite tough and tricky when I looked at some videos because no trainer was teaching me that. So मैंने सब videos देखे थे, but when you took the approach in like direct cut कर लो जो बचता है उसको last में vinculum करो. So that was the easiest way I got to do the sums. That was easy, like yeah. नहीं तो इनिशियली मैं वही कर रही थी, फिर बच्चों को मैंने वही समझाया कि सारा एडिशन एक साथ ले लो, सबट्रैक्शन को भी ऐड कर दो, बाद में लास्ट में माइनस.
सिंगल डिजिट्स तो आप कर ही सकते हैं.
यस सर, यस, नाउ आई कैन.
है ना? चलिए, राइट.
थैंक यू.
ओके,
थैंक यू.
बाय.